So I'm going to type in 14 inches since I'm entering half the distance, and I'll hit enter. I have just recreated that ellipse. Let's recreate the other ellipse. This time we're going to look at one of the sub-options of the ellipse command. We're going to look at the center option. I'm going to come over and launch the ellipse command. And notice if we look at the command line, I can see my sub-options, arc and center. I'd like to draw this ellipse from the center. So I'm going to right-click and select the sub-option center. Now AutoCAD's asking me to specify the center of my ellipse. I'll pick a point on screen. The only difference between drafting an ellipse from the center or from the end is that when I give the major axis, I'm going to give half the distance because I'm pulling from the center. And I know that my major axis has a dimension of 30 inches, so I'm going to type in half of that since I'm drawing this from the center. I'll type in 15 inches, enter, and then the distance to my other axis, my minor axis happens to be 20 inches. I'm going to type in half of that. I'm going to type in 10 inches and hit enter. Let's try and use the ellipse